In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Bricks Builder. Now, this is a page builder that I haven't used before. I've only bought the license and pretty much just put it to the side. So today, I want to take a look and see how easy it is to use, and perhaps I may get some surprises. All right, so I've gone ahead and purchased it. So here I've gone in and installed it. So once you install it, this is what you get. You get an entry here called Bricks. So let's take a look at the Get Started. So if I click over here, what I noticed was you can actually go through these tips on how to get started. Like for example here, how editing with Bricks Builder works. We also have the templates, the features, and so on. But I'm not going to spend too much time on that. I'm really excited to see how the builder works. All right, so here is where you have your templates. I like the fact that it has everything here all central. We also have our settings here. Now I'm not sure what you can do here, but it looks like we have quite a few items to choose from. So let's take a look here. So post types, we have pages, posts. Okay, load Gutenberg data into Bricks. Okay, that's interesting. Now, obviously, this is my first time. I don't know when I would want to use that. So we also have builder access. Okay, so this is full access for the administrator, but if you want to give some people roles, perhaps you can just come over here and then choose. So here we also have templates. Okay, pretty cool. We have the builder itself, settings for the builder. All right, custom fonts, license. So we don't have much going on here, but this is where you'd come for your settings. Now let's go to our pages here and create a brand new page and see what this is going to look like. So first impressions, this looks pretty cool. I really like this. So let's see how easy it is to enter our text or our information. So here we have our section, we have the layout, templates. Okay, so I'm not sure what you would start with here. So let's take a look and see what the layout has here. Okay, so we have a section here on the layouts. And then we also have a section here. That's a bit confusing. Okay, so now I've just clicked into this. Can we add something? Okay, so this is a container. And this is a block. This is confusing. All right, let's delete this. I've right-clicked. Is there delete? Yes. Or maybe I can just come over here and delete it here. Okay, now it's gone. So let's try the layout. So let's go with the section. Okay, the color has changed now. So you see already, as someone who's been using Divi for a long time, I'm not sure what I'm doing here in terms of adding all my content. So anyway, so I guess if I want to add my content, I just click out of here, and this is where I can start dragging and dropping all my content. Drag and drop. Okay, so this is the heading. Now, okay. So this is the test. So now with this text highlighted, I guess I can just come over here and center it. But hang on, it's not centering. What's that about? Okay, let's go back in here. How do we do this? That's the heading right here. How do I center it? Do I go to style? No. Can't center it. That's strange. Okay, how do I go in and make some changes to it? Okay, I'm going to select it one more time. Style, typography. Okay, so here I can go in and change the color. There we go. Oh, fantastic. I can change the color. Where's the size? Can I close this? Yes. So size, let's put 3 EM. Okay, brilliant. Okay, font. Let's search for our favorite font, Poppins. It's working. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. How do I center it? Okay, it's still not centering. That's weird. Okay, let's keep moving. How do I go back? I click anywhere out of here, and now it takes us back to all this. Okay, let's choose an icon. Drag and drop it just below the text. And if I click in here, can I choose different icons? Oh, yes, we can. All right, so we can choose different icons from here. And I like the fact that they have their own icon library here. Brilliant. Okay, it's fantastic. And over here, what do I do? Font Awesome. Okay, so this is Themify, and there's also Font Awesome. Now, these are very popular. So let's choose this one here. Okay, cool. Now that I have that, let's change the color. And this is where I'll come in and change the color. So far so good, but in terms of the layouts, I'm still confused how I would do this. And Flexbox, where the hell is Flexbox? How do I do that? Okay, let me click here. Set our section. It's another section. Okay, click out of here. Let's add an image. There we go. Drag and drop it inside. And to add the image, what do I do? Oh, there we go. Select image. So it looks like I can just drag my image here from my media library and insert. Right. So here's our image. What can we do with this? So I guess what's happening here on the structure, this is just showing me where everything is. And I think this is a good thing because I can just jump in and go to any item here that I want to work with. Brilliant. So now let's see what we can do with this image that we've just selected. Show title. What title is this? Okay, I guess that's when I need to add a title. Image overlay. Okay, I love overlays. Let's see what happens if I choose a color here. There we go. That's the overlay. So how do I get to drag the slider for the transparency? Oh, this one here. There you go. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. Let's change the color. Drag the slider. Okay, I like that. That's really cool. Now, let's say I want to move this image here and reposition it. Can I do that? Object position. Okay, let's go to style. Let's see what we can do here. Can I center it? So why is it the center doesn't work? This is strange. Background. Okay, this is the background for the image because that's what's selected. Okay, let's go back to the container here. Can I add a color to the container? Let's try. I've just added black. Why is it not showing? Because now I'm expecting the color to change. It's not working. No. I'm on typography. What about background? Okay, I'm supposed to be on background. My bad. Okay, let's go back to our background here. Yes, okay. So now, why can't I center this image? Okay, I've clicked on it, I've selected it. So, content. How do I center this? Okay, we can stretch it. I think that's better. Okay, I'll stretch it. But I still couldn't find how to center it. All right, let's move on. We're gonna click out of here. And let's add a button. Something different. Okay, let's see if we can search for it, because in Divi, we can search. Oh, there we go, it works. Search for my button here. I'm gonna add it below. Okay, now that I have my button here, what options do I have? I'll select it. You know what? I'm still stuck on centering. I want to center this button here so it can go in the middle. Layout. Okay, we need to add some spacing. Okay, let's go with 4%. So this is for the button here. See? So let's leave it as it is. Let's come over here to the margin. Let's add 4%. Great. 4% to the bottom. Okay, now I want to center it. How do I center it? Positioning, static. Okay, no, that's not what we want. Scroll snap, no. Ah, here's the flex stuff. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. So it looks like if I need to center items here, I need to use the flex stuff over here, the flex box. Is that true? Let's go back to our heading here. Scroll all the way down. Ah, look at that. Okay, I see. Let's try one more time. Our icon. Ah, fantastic. Okay, cool. So let's say I want to delete that. I've selected it. Can I delete it? No. Oh, yeah. No. Right click. Delete. Okay, now it's gone. All right, so it looks like I have to do all my adjustments on the flex over here. Brilliant. Okay, now let's go to the button and let's change a few things here on the button. Can I go to typography? Yeah. Font family. Poppins. Okay, that has changed. All caps. Brilliant. Can I make it bold? Font weight. Okay, that works. So let's say I want to change the color of the background of the button. Can I do that? Background color. Yes. Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right. But where's my rows? Is that correct? Yeah. Okay, I still have too many questions because there's so much going on here. Okay, what's this one here? Oh, these are the pseudo classes. I have no idea what that is. Pages. I guess this takes me back to the pages. Revisions. Okay, cool. Settings. Okay, what are these settings? Theme styles. Does that mean I can? Nope. Let's go back. Page settings. Oh, it's this page. Oh, we have the SEO, permalink, description, meta keywords. Does that mean that Bricks Builder has SEO built in? Because that's what I'm seeing here. I don't know. Scroll snap. Oh, padding. Let's add 20. Okay, let's add 4%. Did that change anything? No. Okay, let's get rid of that. As you can see, guys, this is my first time playing with this, and it is very confusing. Custom code. All right, that's where I'll enter my CSS. Social media. All right, is there a central place where I can go and just make sure all my colors are set in one place, all my fonts are all set? What's this? Oh, Global Class Manager. Oops. I guess this Bricks Builder is so powerful that perhaps it's much easier to work with if you are a developer, because I'm seeing a lot of classes here and the Global Class Manager. You know, it seems like there's quite a lot more. Okay, if we want to add more elements, we click on this plus button. I think this is how Elementor works. They click on this plus button here, and then you can just add whatever it is. Now, the question is, if I click on this, does it go where it's supposed to go over here? Let's try. Oh, yeah, it does. There it is. It's deleted. Okay. Let's see what happens over here. Oh, this is our devices. So I guess I can go in and change a few things here for the different views. Pretty cool. Now over here to the right, what can I do? The structure. What's the structure? Oh, it takes away that thing, the layers on the right. Pretty cool. Templates. So this is where I can import my templates. Are there any templates in here? Community. Ah, it looks like there is community templates. Interesting. Can I use any of these? Free? Let's try it. Let's try this one here. Oh, this one here. No, this is WooCommerce. Insert. This template contains a theme style. Would you like to import it? I'm going to say no. What's happening? Why do I have a color palette? This theme contains a color palette. Would you like to import it? I'm going to say no. Oh, what happened here? Has this taken my image and replaced it with what we have on the template? I guess that's what happened. Oh, so let's go to this section here and delete it. Ah, okay. So now I have a brand new layout. Do I need this? No, let's get rid of it. Delete. Where is delete? So starting off with the template actually works, and this is pretty cool. Okay, what else can I do here? What's this? Publish. And this is preview mode. Let's preview. This looks a bit stretched, the image. Okay, how do I get rid of it? Back, okay. If I go back in here, can I work on the carousel? Where are the settings? Oh, there we go. So we have the layout here. We have the content. Oh, this is where you add images. Settings. The height. Let's increase this. Can I change this to VH? Let's see. Let's try 100. That works. Okay, so let's go with 80. Now let's do a preview. Okay, that's much better, but the problem is the quality of the image is bad. I'm not sure if that is how I uploaded it. So let's see. Oh, there's all these effects that we have here. Okay, brilliant. So I now have to remember that if I need to work on something, I can just come over here, select it, and then it takes me to where the item is. But it's still a bit confusing for me. Actually, the word is overwhelming. This is a bit overwhelming for me. But I can see that we have a lot of features here. If I select this heading, notice that we have conditions. Ooh, let's see. If we add this plus button, what conditions can we add? User login, featured image, date. Wow. Date and time. So I can show this based on date and time. Wow, this is amazing. Dynamic data, operating system, referral URL. Now this is powerful. Is there a page builder that can do this? I'm not really sure. This is really good. Okay, what's this one here? Interactions. How do I interact with this? Interactions. Trigger, click, hover, focus, blur. Click, and then the action, show element, hide element. This is super powerful. I like this. Now, does this happen on every module? I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, this is our contact, right? Does it work here? Yeah, it does. Look at that. We have our conditions on every single module. Yeah, there we go. That is pretty amazing. All right, what else do we have here? Can we save this? Okay, this is paste all. I'm not sure what we're pasting here. What's this? Collapse? Okay. So publish. But you know what I still haven't figured out here? It's where we do our global settings. Okay, let's try the B. Go to preview. No. Where would that be? Pages. Oh, look at that. I can go to a specific page from here. Is that so? Yeah. So that means it saves me from saving this page, going out, and then going into the builder itself, into WordPress, choosing a page, and then start editing it again. This is a time saver. This is brilliant. Okay, I love that. Right over here. Okay, this is revision settings, theme settings. Oh, theme styles. Select the theme style. Create. What's happening? Oh, I think I need to give it a name. Okay, create. What happens now? Is this where I choose all my global items? Let's see. Typography, heading 1. Color. Let's go with this color here. Oh, it looks like this is where I can add my global items. Okay, that's heading 1. I've set it to black. And all headings. Okay, let's choose this yellow so we can see what's happening. That's for all my headings, by the way. And for the body, I'm going to go with 1EM. Does that change? Okay, actually, you know what? I'm going to finally see what happens when I start adding all my text. So let's go for Poppins. There we go. I chose 1EM. Why is this so small? 2EM? Huh. So let's go with 1.8. I guess that works. 1.8 EM. And the color. That works. Okay. So it looks like this is our global place that we can update everything. So we have our typography, we have our headings here, block quotes. Oh, we have a pop-up builder. But I mean, look at that. That's so confusing. Sorry guys, I'm just used to using Divi, but this is crazy. Content padding. Okay, how about we go with 2%? Does that change anything? I don't see any change. Anyway, let's leave it like that for now. Is there a way to go back? Okay, this was the typography. This is the content, margins, okay, colors. So I guess this is where we add our primary color. Look at this. So I can add my primary color here, like that. I can add my secondary color, light color, dark color. This is awesome. Okay, let's add a few colors here and see if this is going to follow me as I'm designing. A light color, let's go with that. For a dark color, let's go with black. Muted color. What else? Warning, danger. All right, I'm just going to add these 5 colors here for now. Can I say, where do I save? I guess here on the top. No. Where do I save? Oh, maybe it automatically saves this. Does it? Okay. Let's see what colors are added here. What can I use as my block? Let's go all the way down here. Let's choose alert. How about that? Drag and drop it right here. Okay, so I want to select this. Oh, it has conditions too. So I can choose my conditions and this can show if, you know, if it matches all these conditions. Anyway, I don't want to do that. I want to, let's close this. Style. Now, if I go to background and choose my color, oh, you see what happened here? I was expecting to see all the colors that I selected in the style. They're not there. That's a bit disappointing. Let's go to typography. Okay, it has chosen Poppins, which is good. What about the size? I'm confused. I'm not sure if this is Is it taking information from, was it the settings, theme styles? I was expecting these colors here to show as I'm designing. Why are they not showing? This is strange. But anyway, guys, this is expected because I haven't looked at any of the documentation for Bricks Builder, but it's been fun. I can see there's a lot of potential here with the Bricks Builder, but this was my go at trying to play around with a page builder that I haven't used before. So my impressions are it's very modern. I haven't tested the speed because everyone talks about the speed and how fast it is, but I haven't tested that. But from what I can see here, it is it's a modern way of designing websites. It's a bit overwhelming. I guess that's because for myself, I'm pretty used to using Divi. But anyway, guys, what do you think? Are there any one of you guys that use Bricks Builder? I'm sure you were saying to yourself, man, come on,